Hey, guys! Today, we're talking about a car that's been creating a buzz, especially for all you car lovers out there. Yes, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Nissan S16 Silvia. Nissan has revived this legendary icon, but can it live up to the greatness of its predecessors? Let's check it out together. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on the latest updates about cool cars. First things first, let's go over the basics. The 2025 Nissan S16 Silvia is the latest generation of the Silvia series, which we last saw in the early 2000s. Nissan has brought the Silvia back with a modern twist, combining classic design with the latest technology. Under the hood, there's a 2.0L turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces up to 300 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. It comes with a standard 6-speed manual transmission, but there's also an 8-speed automatic option for those who prefer more comfort. The S16 remains true to its rear-wheel drive roots, designed to deliver the pure and authentic driving experience that Silvia fans have been craving. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Nissan Silvia S16 is an absolute beauty. The retro-modern combination makes the car's design look even more stunning. At the front, you've got those iconic quad headlights, now equipped with LED technology, giving it a sharp and aggressive look. The sleek, low-slung body retains the classic coupe silhouette but with a more aerodynamic profile. The hood features subtle lines that give it a more muscular stance, plus large air intakes hinting at its performance potential. The rear is just as impressive, with slim wraparound taillights that pay homage to the original Silvia. And don't forget the wide stance, flared wheel arches, and those beautiful 19-inch alloy wheels that complete the look. As for colors, Nissan offers some awesome options, from the classic pearl white to deep midnight blue and a fiery red that screams performance. Step inside, and the Silvia S16's interior doesn't disappoint. It's a perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. The bucket-style seats offer excellent support during spirited driving, wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, giving you that racing feel the moment you grip it. The dashboard is dominated by a sleek, high-resolution 10-inch infotainment display, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation all included. The fully customizable digital instrument cluster lets you display everything from performance metrics to your favorite music playlist. Ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance, and the overall cabin quality, from soft-touch materials to aluminum accents, is top-notch. Now, let's talk about comfort. Despite its sporty nature, the 2025 Silvia S16 doesn't skimp on comfort. The adaptive suspension can switch between different driving modes, making it smooth whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. The interior is also well insulated from road noise, making long journeys much more enjoyable. It's a two-door coupe, so the rear seats are a bit tight, but the front has plenty of legroom and headroom. The trunk is also spacious enough for a weekend getaway. Finally, let's get to the most important part, the performance. The 2025 Nissan Silvia S16 is an absolute blast to drive. The 2.0L turbocharged engine delivers smooth yet explosive power when needed, all across the rev range. The 6-speed manual transmission provides a truly satisfying driving experience, with each shift feeling crisp and tactile. The handling is sharp and responsive, thanks to the perfectly balanced chassis and rear-wheel drive setup. The car sticks to the road confidently, and the steering gives you great feedback, making every corner feel like an exciting challenge. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 5 seconds, the Silvia isn't just about looks, it's got the performance to match. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Nissan S16 Silvia is a successful revival of a legend. It captures the essence of the classic Silvia while bringing it firmly into the modern era with its design, performance, and driving experience that fans have been waiting for. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys.